Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to play a game called Cup Stack Tower Challenge. This is a fun game for all ages. All you need is 2 cups or more and a flat surface to play on. See if you can build the tallest tower of cups possible. Make sure to use proper technique so your tower is stable and doesn't fall over. And do not forget to stack 1 cup on top of the other to create a stable base for your tower. Before we start, let me show you an example of how to play. The goal is to stack cups on top of each other without letting any of them fall. Here I have built a small tower of cups. I'm going to add another cup to the top of the tower. To do this, I will first rotate the top cup slightly and then lift it up, while rotating it towards the center of the tower. As I do this, I will also gently tap the bottom cup to help stabilize the tower. Once the top cup is in position, I will repeat these steps until I have successfully stacked all of the cups. If you want to make your tower even more stable, you can try using a wider base. To do this, simply stack 2 cups on the ground and then place 1 hand on each cup. This will help to keep your tower steady while you work on stacking the remaining cups. You can also try using a triangle-shaped base, which can be more stable than a rectangular base. To do this, stack 3 cups in a triangular shape and then place 1 hand on each cup. This will help to keep your tower secure while you stack the remaining cups. Now it's time to give it a try. Build the tallest tower of cups that you can. Do not forget to use proper technique to keep your tower stable, and do not give up if your tower falls over. Just start again from the bottom and keep trying until you reach the top. If you need some inspiration, I've included a few tips and tricks below to help you out. When building your tower, it's important to remember to take your time. Rushing will only make things more difficult and increase the likelihood that your tower will fall over. Instead, focus on each cup as you stack it and make sure it is secure before moving on to the next one. Also, don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques to find what works best for you. Some people prefer to stack cups in a triangular pattern, while others find it easier to stack them in a square pattern. There is no right or wrong way to play, so feel free to try different methods until you find the one that you enjoy the most. As you play, you may encounter some challenges, and that's okay. The important thing is to keep trying and not give up. If your tower falls over, don't get discouraged. Simply start again from the bottom and continue stacking cups until you reach the top. With practice, you will get better at stacking cups and be able to build taller and more stable towers. And when you think you've reached the top, go ahead and share your results in the comments below. I can't wait to see how tall your towers are. You can also post a video of yourself playing the game on social media and tag us so we can check them out. Thanks for playing Cup Stack Tower Challenge. We hope you had fun playing this game with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun games and challenges. Till next time, happy stacking.